Hello, everyone. Today I'm speaking a bit about how to ensure responsible consumption and production with the Internet of Things. Firstly, the Sustainable Development Goal number 12 is to ensure sustainable consumption and production matters. And a bit of statistics about that goal there. The USA generates 2.2 kilograms of trash per day per capita, and China generates about 0.43 kilograms of trash per day per capita. There are about 2 billion tons of trash produced in the world each year. That figure is expected to reach about 3.4 billion in about 30 years. So here's a graph here showing the amount of trash per country. So the darker the color there, the more trash. So the United States is very dark there, and China is a little bit lighter than the USA there. And the next graph I have is showing how much trash is actually thrown away. So with the United States, it's about the same color as the amount of trash that is being made. In China, it seems like it's a bit darker. I don't know if you can tell if I hop back. Actually, it seems to be about the same there as well. And here are two graphs demonstrating the type of trash. The first one being in the USA. So you can see that there's a ton of paper and cardboard thrown away in the US, as well as food and organic matter that's thrown away. And the next one being the yard and garden trash. In China, you can see that a ton, over half, over 50% of their trash is food or organic matter. And the two that follow are miscellaneous and then plastic thereon. So next, this is two graphs showing the method of trash disposal. The first one being in the US, over 50% of the trash disposal in the US is the landfill. Next would be recycling, and then the least amount of method used is incineration in the US. In China, it's a bit similar, though there isn't much recycling. I guess you can consider composting, but over 50% of the trash is disposed through the landfill or incineration in China, and the other two are open dump and then composting. So here's another graph depicting how much trash is thrown away per capita. So the US is pretty dark there. They can tell that a lot of trash is thrown away per capita. And China seems to have a lighter color, meaning they don't throw away as much trash per capita. So how can the Internet of Things help to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns? I think one of the first things could be monitors, just being able to keep a look at air pollution, weather, soil, many other things, like how full the trash bins may be. Another way the Internet of Things could help would be smart management. I think optimal collection routes could benefit the waste management, and also automatic sensors. Another topic I like to discuss are resource optimization. I think that with the Internet of Things, this could bring an aspect of time and cost efficiency. And lastly is waste management. I think automated bins and interconnected systems